Hey everyone, today I'm going to be walking you through a delicious crab cake recipe. Now this recipe is very doable and makes for an easy, delicious dinner, so let's get right to it. Today I'm going to be using 1 tin of crab meat. I've also boiled and mashed 2 potatoes and I'm going to add it to my crab meat. I'm going to season it with MSG, onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, and chili powder, and some salt to taste. Then I'm going to mix that in so it's nice and blended. All of my measurements are in the description box below and feel free to change them up to suit your taste buds. Once that's done, I'm going to add some celery, red onions, sweet peppers, parsley, and cilantro. After this, I'm going to add some egg that I've cracked and whisked to my crab meat. Although I whisked the entire egg, I did not use the entire egg because this would have made my crab meat too soft to work with and too difficult to form into a crab cake. Now, once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and start forming my crab meat into a flattened round circle shape as you can see here, and I'm going to lightly dip it into some flour. I now have 6 crab cakes ready to be cooked. Before I get started, I wanted to show you guys my pink frying pan that recently came in the mail. I actually ordered an entire set of pink pots and pans because that's one of my favorite colors, so I'm super excited to be using it tonight. I'll also leave the link in the description box below so you can check it out as well. Now I've added a good amount of oil to my pan, and once it's hot, I'm going to go ahead and add my crab cakes, allowing it to cook for about a minute on each side. Because of the temperature of the oil, it cooks pretty quickly and leaves you with a nice golden crisp exterior. My crab cakes are all done. I chose to eat mine with some tartar sauce and it was so delicious. I hope you guys give this recipe a try at home, and remember to tag me on Instagram if you do so I can repost all of your yummy recreations. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that post notification bell, share, subscribe for more content, and feel free to check out some of my other videos which I've linked down below. Thanks for watching.